We're out at Bruno's happy place. It's my happy place too. Again, breezy but beautiful. Always breezy. As they say, if it wasn't for the wind, it would be a damn nice day. Look at little Bruno go. Look at that little guy go. Oh, he's got to take a poop. Poop time for Bruno. Peace and love. Just a beautiful day again out in God's country. So anyway, let's see how Bruno's doing on his poop. Just about done. Yeah, a little bit yet, huh? Good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Okay. Get him out, Bruno. Get him out. Get him out. Got some nice ponds. There's actually 7 ponds out here. So anyway, see you guys soon. Woohoo! Get him out, Bruno. Get him out. He's got an itch.